To disable double-click to install on iPhone App Store, open Settings, go to Screen Time. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then select iTunes and App Store purchases. In the Require Password section, tap Always Require and enter your screen time passcode. Return to the main settings page, tap Face ID and Passcode, enter your screen time passcode, and toggle off iTunes and App Store. Go to the home screen, open the App Store, search for an app, and tap Get to install. It will prompt for your Apple ID password instead of a double tap. Enter the password, sign in, and tap Install.